guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be showing you guys how to do a bushel pull through like braid. I kind of think it's more of a weaved pull through braid. You might have been seeing this. I just did my hair like in two of them on the side of my head, and I've done the in a ponytail on the top. And we're gonna go ahead and jump right into the video. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and if you guys want to be notified for my future videos, go ahead and click that bell button and you'll be notified next time I upload. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Okay, so I already went ahead and put my hair into two tall high up ponytails, and I brought them as close as I can, get them together. And I take that top section and put it out to the far left, and take that bottom section and I'm going to bring that up through that top section that I just brought out. And I'm going to go ahead and clip that away. I highly recommend using a clip because it is a lot of hair to handle at times. And I have pretty thick hair, so it was a little challenging to keep my hair out of the way and keep everything orderly. So then I just take another top section and another bottom section, and I bring that bottom section up through that top piece and clip it away. It's creating a weaved effect. And you're just going to continue doing that through the whole thing. You'll take a top piece and a bottom piece, and you'll bring that bottom piece up through that top piece, and it's creating a weaved effect. It takes a little bit of practice, but I believe you guys can do it. It took me a little bit of practice, and it is time consuming. My arms are pretty tired by the end of this video, not gonna lie, but you can do it. And so you just keep clipping them away, and you go and do that all the way through. And I'm just going to keep doing this pretty slowly to show you guys how I do it, and I hope you guys can grasp. I would love to see if you guys try and attempt this look, what it looks like. Tag me on my Instagram. I have my Instagram linked down below, and I would love to see what you guys do. But this is how you do the bushel pull through braid. And you just take that top piece and you weave the bottom piece through it, up, clip it away, and like I said, the last thing you want to do is you want to make sure that those outer top pieces from the top section for each section are on the outsides, and it looks so much better when you go through to pull and tug it all away that you want to have those top pieces. And then I just go through and I ponytail it off and unclip the top section, and I move on to the next part. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial on this cute, super intricate, fun hairstyle that I'm showing you guys today. I'm so sorry for the constant lighting change. I don't have fancy camera lighting or anything like that. I'm literally working in front of a window. So when that light changes, so does the rest of my lighting. So I try to do it as consistently as I can and adjust it as I can, but just know that's where that's coming from. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you guys have any other future videos or tutorials or things you want to know about hair, life, family, leave them in the comments below. I would love to see what you guys would like to see. And thank you so much for continuing to support my channel, and make sure you guys subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.